Good morning, everybody. It's currently 8 AM. Going to pick up my bike in about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to miss this thing, but I'm looking forward to getting my KTM today. Well, this reminds me of an old video that I had. Tyre change fail. It's actually holding on pretty well. Might have to adjust it soon, but it seems to be okay at the minute. Fucking idiots. What fucking idiots, really? Really? Fucking hell, man.
One eternity later.
So, I got the Duke today. The Duke 790 KTM. Gotta say, I absolutely love this bike. I've already done 100 miles on it today, and I still feel like I could do 100 more. Got loads of bug splatters. I got the Remus exhaust, or Remus, however you pronounce it. Also, the guys were nice enough to take the baffle out for me. I've got that in my bag, so if I want to put it back on, take it on a track day, I can do that, because this definitely will not pass the decibel restriction. Definitely not. So I got it from the KTM centre in Hemel Hempstead. I've ordered a tail tidy, which I'm going to fit in a minute when I get home. I'm going to remove these rear pegs. I can't remove the rear one yet, over here, because I need the little adapter that goes in there. I'm also going to buy an engine protector, like a frame that goes on the outside of it, because it's very, very exposed. Really enjoying the bike, really enjoy it. Definitely made the right decision, I've got to say. So you can turn the quick shift on and off, ABS on and off, ride mode, that's on sport. I did try it on track. Track is mental. Wheelie mode off, launch control on, throttle response, track. Absolutely fantastic. I put it on street because it was a bit too mental for me, and it scared me a little bit. Mainly because I'm not used to the bike. Once I get used to the bike, I'll put it back on again. I'm going to get probably bar end mirrors or something like that. I'm also going to get the windshield that goes over the top, just there, to give me a bit of wind resistance, because I found that when I was riding down long country lanes, I was getting a lot of wind in my face. Didn't really like it. Something else I'm thinking of getting is the seat cover, because I don't really have pillions, and it looks a lot nicer, but I don't know how expensive it is. I know for the R6 it was like 120 quid, Don't know if it's worth it, but we'll have a look. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the clips that I played before having a walk round of the bike. I didn't do this on the demo ride, which is why I'm doing it in a separate video. I highly recommend it, I really do. And this, like for like, this versus the R6, much more fun, much more torquier, bit of a wheelie machine at the low end, so fun, so fun. Also, this exhaust, I must say, is very loud. Let's give it a little run through. Much nicer sound than the stock exhaust. I'm also going to take these stickers off because I fucking hate these stickers. Why do they always ruin the bike with these stickers? But yeah, I can't think of any more mods I'm going to add to it just yet. In the future, I might get some better suspension. When I take it in for my first service, I'm going to get the tyres changed. I'm going to get some sportier tyres, some summer tyres on it, because even though the traction control does help you, you can tell that it does slip a little bit. I think new tyres will definitely help with that, and new suspension definitely will help with that as well. Thanks for watching the video. I love this. The reason why I stopped making videos for so long was because I was busy with work, but also the R6 just knackered me out. It is a fun bike, but I didn't really enjoy it. It was only really fun at high speeds, and obviously you can't really make videos if you're doing high speeds everywhere because it's illegal. Don't really want to put that on my YouTube. Also, it knackered me out, man. I was just riding around on that thing was like a massive chore, and like having to do a blog and all of that stuff. I just couldn't do it. But this is so much more fun. So I'm going to be doing a lot of little videos now this summer. I'm going to be going on a few ride outs and going out on a few cruises with friends and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy the summer coming. And I'll catch you next time. Remember to like my video if you enjoyed the really shitty review that I've just done. Subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to hit the 1,000 mark at the minute. I'm at about 600. Got 400 to go. Subscribe to my video, for fuck's sake. Like, why would you not click subscribe? You subscribe to all his other shitty channels, why not mine? So, let's hit that 1,000 mark. If I hit that 1,000 mark, I'll be very happy, and I'll be very appreciative. And I'm going to ride this home and go and fit my tail tidy. So, catch you next time.